So, we are going to watch Three Guys and One Hammer.
Sketchy. What is he just chilling there for?
I don't know. What the fuck?
What is that?
It's a hammer!
Why is it yellow?
Dude, it's ramped up.
He just was playing it for no reason. Oh, look at his face!
Oh! Oh my god!
Why are they getting... What are they talking?
I don't know, I think they're like German or something. See, I told you that's a hammer! Did you see it?
Oh, his face! It's like moving!
Blood is like literally gushing out, dude.
He's not moving?
Yeah.
No, he's not... I don't know what they sound like. They don't sound German. This is... Why are they getting so cute? I don't want to watch that. Is that his stomach?
Yeah, he's still alive.
That's why his face is moving. I don't even want to watch it. He's like choking on his own blood right now. His face looks fake though. You see that? It looks like a mask or something. I don't think that's real.
I don't know, I think it's real.
Yeah, but do you see his face how it looks like a mask? I don't know.
Maybe because he's about to reach death.
Who's breathing like that?
Him! He just got like hit like 5 times!
But... the crap out of his stomach? They sound like, I don't even know.
Oh my god! Is that a screwdriver?
I think it is! They're like digging in there.
What are you trying to do? What's the point?
Digging for gold, I guess. I don't know.
What's the point of this?
They're bored. They're like twisting it around.
And he's just gonna...
That sounds like the guy with the camera. He sounds like he's like moaning. Ew. I don't want to see nothing. How long
No, that's the guy that's getting stabbed.
This is gross. That's real. They can't fake that. I don't want to see his face anymore.
There's just some random ass lighter sitting on.
Oh my god.
Dude?
Oh my gosh, I'm not watching this. This is disgusting.
Oh my god.
What are they doing?
They're like peeling off skin from his face.
I'm gonna throw up. This is disgusting. What man? What poor guy? I feel bad for him. Is he just some random guy that they just picked out?
Apparently he's just laying there and then they just decided to go on attack
Oh my
mode.
gosh, his hand! Oh, he's really alive.
I told you.
I feel so bad. How do you like live through this? What is he doing?
Why are you stepping on him?
Is he gonna hit? He's laughing! How do you laugh? They sound Spanish.
Yeah, they kind of.
They're not German. What are they still digging for? They just wiped it off on his face.
Yeah, that's not Spanish.
Wow, what is it? It's not German.
What's the point?
He's cute!
I know! He's cute!
Of course the cute guy is psycho. They pushed his hand away. Man, they're going hard. Look, he's trying to cover up his stomach. Yeah, what are they doing? Nice.
Maybe they're done now.
I don't think they are, because they're still like...
What else do they have to do? They might as well just shoot him in the head. Why are they poking him in the eye? This is... Oh my god, that's his eye! Oh my god, that's... Oh my god!
Huh?
Oh my god, is he trying to take it out? Oh, that's the guy.
That is the guy moaning.
Told you.
I would be dead by now.
I would just like find something and kill myself with it.
What if he...
Yeah, you're dead. Who records shit like this?
This guy, apparently. He's gotta be like dead soon. What is he doing?
And then they just run away.
Oh my gosh, what is that?
What the fuck is that?
Did they like go grab like another weapon?
They're putting the weapons in their trunk.
What is that? Is that water? Oh, they're cleaning off. Oh, nice. They're cleaning off in here. That's nice. Can't have bloody weapons in the trunk. I think it's over now.
I want to see what they do. Still looking to see if anyone's coming. They're wiping their face off?
Their hands. Oh. He is wiping his face off. Maybe he's like blood splattering his face.
That was so fucking sick.
How did he just...
People are sick. He's actually cute too.
I know, right? Why does he gotta be cute? You think he's ugly?
Some ugly guy.
I think it's over. I don't think they're doing anything else. Are they gonna go back to him? Whew. That was gross.
Well, that was just nasty.